Okay, how do you know okay, we go to that. Okay, as symbolic kini makaya literal. But how do we know that your interpretation to the symbol is right? That is a very good question. So we can go to the next. Okay, now number 2. Thank you. This is the answer of that question. Let Revelation explain itself. So how do you know that's the meaning of the symbol? Let the Revelation explain itself. So siya ko explain let the Bible explain. Okay? So, let's say for example, what do the stars in Jesus' hand symbolize? Revelation 1:20. Example na siya, Revelation 1:20. Saan na stars, pagkuman na ay
Seven churches.
What does? Kung na siya? The angels and of the 7 churches as stars. Hindi na ang sa kalagpuan ng star, nasa galaxy pa ng uban. But that's symbolic. But the Bible itself says so. So the stars is the angels of the 7 churches. Who are the white group of people John saw? Revelation 7:13 and 14. Kung dughan si Nina dito, that is vision. Unsa? They are agreed, Revelation 7:13 and 14. They which came out of the great tribulation upward, gusto mga tao ng grabe lang pag-antos o nagpalayas ng pagtuon. Okay? So let the Bible explain. Now, in some other part of the Bible, there are many figurative and just like saying